Good morning or good afternoon, students. All right, so we're going to be doing graffiti letters for our next project. With this in mind, what I want to teach you guys is not only how to create shape letters or letters in certain shapes, but also how to have them be three-dimensional. So whenever you see a really cool graffiti piece, it's usually because it's kind of three-dimensional, it has a lot of dimension, it has a lot of form, and that's what's really appealing about graffiti. So what I want to do is kind of get you guys to look at letters not only with the line in mind, but also the shape and the form in mind. Okay, so we're gonna start with a square. Okay, you're not gonna draw this yet. I just want to kind of make a point. Okay, so imagine whatever letter you want to do fits in that square. Okay, so let's say we're gonna do the letter E. We'll do it simple. So we'll just do a simple E. So we'll use the box, and then we're gonna do the two bars like this, and then we'll do the middle bar just like that. Really simple, really very blocky, but I just want to get you to understand the idea. Okay, so this is the E just in regular shape. Okay, there's no three dimensions to it. It's not a form because all you see is the height and width of this letter. Okay, so now imagine that we turn that letter, okay, and it starts going away from us. So I'm going to distort it here just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, but what's important is you understand where we're going. So here, I'm going to imagine this part is pointing away from us and this part is pointing towards us. Okay, so in this case, now we have kind of something that we can create a box with. Okay, so right here, we're going to create the kind of the bottom left side of the box. So we're going to do an angle coming down this way, an angle coming down this way, and a diagonal coming this way. Okay, so imagine if you had a box and you turn that box and now you can see the sides. So now we're going to do our vertical line, and this one, since it's coming towards us, this side here is going to be longer than this side here. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing with the other side, and there you have an E that has a form to it. Now you can see kind of the sides of it. Okay, but you wouldn't stop there, because in this case, I'm going to erase our guideline right there. In our case, you would still be able to see this part and this part's form. So here, we do the same angle, and then our line would follow this, which is following this line here. Oops, I kind of got a rogue black line there, so no worries. Let's leave it there. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing with the bar on the bottom here. Okay, so if I went and I shaded all of this in, now you can see how we turn that E into a nice form, and it's a little bit three-dimensional now. Okay, so you're going to be doing that with 5 more letters on the next 5 blocks. You can pick any letters you want. Again, start with that square, put the letter inside the square, and then imagine the form on the sides. Okay, I'll be walking around helping you out, but that's the idea. So you got to do 6 total letters. The E you kind of learned how to do already with me, and you're going to be doing the rest of the letters on your own. Any questions, raise your hand, and I'm here to help.